Have you ever wanted a digital vault for your things? Not gold bars or priceless artifacts, but something far more modern, cryptocurrency. Imagine a secure, portable way to hold Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other digital asset you might own. Well, that's exactly what a crypto wallet does. Today, we're diving into the world of Coinbase Wallet, a popular option for crypto enthusiasts. We'll walk you through the entire process of opening your own Coinbase Wallet account, step by step. So, whether you're a seasoned crypto trader or just starting to explore the digital currency landscape, this video is for you. Before we jump in, a quick heads up, cryptocurrency can be a volatile investment. Do your own research before you buy, and remember, never invest more than you can afford to lose. Alright, with that disclaimer out of the way, let's get started. Step 1. Download the app. First things first, you'll need the Coinbase Wallet app. It's available for free on both iOS and Android devices. Just head over to your app store, search for Coinbase Wallet, and download it. Step 2. Welcome to the future. Once the download is complete, open the app and get ready to be greeted by the future of finance. You'll be presented with two options: create a new wallet or import an existing wallet. Newbie? Create a new wallet. If you're new to the crypto world, like most of us, you'll want to select Create a new wallet. This will initiate the account creation process. Step 3. Accepting the digital fine print. Every adventure has its rules, and the world of crypto is no different. Take a moment to review Coinbase Wallet's privacy policy and terms of service. Once you're comfortable, go ahead and accept them. Step 4. Your username, a digital alias. Now comes the fun part, choosing your username. This will be your public identifier within the Coinbase Wallet ecosystem. Remember, usernames are unique, so pick something catchy that reflects your personality, but also something you'll remember easily. Step 5. Your recovery phrase, the key to your crypto kingdom. This next step is crucial. You'll be presented with a 12-word recovery phrase. Think of this as the master key to your crypto kingdom. Write it down on a piece of paper, store it securely offline, and never share it with anyone. This recovery phrase is the only way to regain access to your wallet if you lose your phone or forget your password. Memorize it? Not recommended. While some folks with phenomenal memories might be tempted to memorize the phrase, it's strongly discouraged. Writing it down on paper and keeping it safe is the most secure option. Step 6. Backup confirmed. Welcome to the club. Once you've confirmed you've backed up your recovery phrase, congratulations. You've officially opened your Coinbase Wallet account. You'll be greeted with a sleek and user-friendly interface where you can view your current crypto holdings, send and receive digital assets, and explore the exciting world of decentralized finance, DeFi. Step 7. Optional exploring the Coinbase ecosystem. Coinbase Wallet is actually a separate product from the main Coinbase exchange platform. While you can use your Coinbase Wallet independently, there are some benefits to connecting it with your Coinbase account if you have one. This connection allows you to easily buy and sell cryptocurrencies directly through the Coinbase exchange, and then seamlessly transfer those assets to your secure Coinbase Wallet for safekeeping. Security matters, don't be a soft target. Before we wrap things up, let's talk security. The cryptocurrency world can be a target for hackers, so it's important to take steps to protect your hard-earned coins. Here are some quick tips. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a code from your phone in addition to your password when logging in. Beware of phishing scams. Never click on suspicious links or enter your recovery phrase on any website or app other than the official Coinbase Wallet app. Keep your software updated. Always ensure you have the latest version of the Coinbase Wallet app installed to benefit from the most recent security patches. By following these simple steps, you can significantly reduce the risk of falling victim to a crypto scam. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, happy crypto exploring.